A couple of months back I managed to pick up this Audi Mk1 TT Quattro, and I got it for an absolute steal. It was a non-starter, but with a bit of fettling we managed to get it running. And to be fair, once it started, it ran really nice. There was a slight fluctuation in the revs, but apart from that it was okay. The wheels and bodywork was really tired and needed some TLC. The interior on the whole though, that was quite neat. We knew the brakes needed attention from the last MOT, so we treated its new pads all round, and we ended up replacing one of the rear calipers because that was binding. Unfortunately though, disrupting the brakes caused a massive leak on the rear brake lines, so we had to replace all the rear hoses and the flexes, and chop and replace some of the hard lines. Once we finally got the brakes to pressurise, we could bleed them off again. We took the opportunity to restore the headlights because it was picked up on the last MOT that they were all yellow. Now I don't usually get nervous about MOTs, but this one I was. No need though, because it passed with flying colours. But it was all downhill from there. The ESP light come on, we had boost cuts, and we had engine codes for misfires. So I thought it was a great excuse to fit a boost gauge so we could see what's going on with the vacuum and the boost. Once that was installed, we took the car for a good run. It became pretty obvious that the car was over boosting by a good 10 psi, and it was hitting boost cut. Testing identified a problem with the recirculation valve, but we also noticed that the PCV system had got cracks in and was very worn and was causing a vacuum leak on the system. I was already planning a catch can conversion, so I'd already got the stuff, so it was a great opportunity to fit it. And that sorted out our issue around the engine idle and gave us a good solid vacuum.